Hello everyone, it's Beth from Beth King Design. We're going to do some easy Valentine cards today. And I want to say right up front, this is not my design. I did see this from another artist on Instagram and I just loved it so much I had to try it. So I'm just showing you what I saw on hers and how I am making it my own. So first we just added some hearts with open ends on the bottom, then drew some lines across the bottom of the hearts to connect them. And now I'm just coloring in all the different lines and the hearts. I did the hearts and the lines same colors. Then I'm just going to start doodling on the page to just fill in the white spaces in between the lines. So any kind of doodle that you want to do is great for that. Then here I just decided to fill in some of those curlicues with a red dot. In the next space I'm just adding some petals to look like a couple of flowers in there. So long petals, and I attach the petals to each side of the line in between. Put a little circle on the top of each of those, and then I just draw some dotted lines to give it a little more depth. I do it on both sides of the heart. These ones are a little bit smaller here. Okay, then our next one, I just added little tiny hearts in the entire space, entire white space. I filled it all in with little tiny hearts, and you can blacken some of those out if you want. You can put colors in those also if you want, but I didn't add any color at this point. So on the top and the bottom, I just added vertical lines, different widths, and then I'm just coloring them in. As I go along, every other one I colored on both the top and the bottom, just with black. Here, I'm just adding a few little extra dots on my lines in this space, just to give it, again, a little bit more depth and texture. And like I said, I'm just coloring in these with black on the top and the bottom. So there you have it. Cute little Valentine card, but I'm going to personalize this with a name. I'm going to put the letters, I have stamps, and I'm going to put letters of the name that I'm giving this to in each of the hearts. So in this one I'm going to put Joey. So the first one is J, just stamp that in there. O, stamp it in the second heart. E, and Y. Now if you want to make a longer name, you'll just have to do more hearts on the page. But isn't that cute? I really like how these turned out, and I did one for each of my grandchildren. I hope you liked this cute little video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.